Cake WP, and I'm excited to show you a new plugin which we have named Divi Cascading Multi-Image. Basically, what you can do with this plugin is there are multiple things you can do. First, you can have multiple images scattered on a single column or a single row. Like this one, it basically, this is a single module, which is this one, multiple Divi Cascading multi-image module, and you just need to add image and position it on the canvas anywhere you want. And secondly, you can also so you can first thing you can create is a really creative image gallery like this one. This is not a standard grid gallery, but you can see the images are overlapping to each other, and this can be done easily with these modules. And this plugin also provide the feature of Divi Lightbox Gallery, so you can review your images in the Lightbox as well. And then it works the same. It uses the same script as the Divi theme. So the second thing you can do this with this module is you can apply the transform effect on your images. Like these three images are basically simple images, but within the Divi module we have applied some transform effect to make it look like this. And then you can also enable a feature called bring to front on hover, and this feature makes this effect, so it bring the image to front a user hover on, so like this. And you can basically cascade multiple images easily with this plugin in a single column. You can position them whatever way you want, and you can uh, arrange them in any order as you like. So, and there are multiple use cases you can use this plugin. Basically, as this one, you can display your work, your portfolio, your layout, or your design like this. And not only this is not only static a single image, because this is an interactive module. If you enable the hover option, it works like this. So user can see all your designs. Not they are not uh, always hidden behind the main image. You can hover over it and review the design like this. And this is not only bringing the images, you can also add icons and arrange them the way you wish. And like this demo here creates cloud-like icons scattered in and arranged in this way, and you can link your icons to any resource you like. And this is another gallery example. This is not a static image. This is image gallery basically. As you can see, all images are viewable in the Lightbox. And again, you can create your product mockups with this module also like this. Earlier, it could only be possible with some design tools like Photoshop, but you can create this effect in the Divi now directly using this module. And moreover, you can also make it interactive like this. It If you enable the bring to front option, you can see how this looks. So these are some of the use cases I have created right now, and I have a lot more ideas to create use cases in the future. So let's see how it works from the backend. So this is the module. uh, Let me first show you this one. So this is the module. If I click on the edit one, you see it has multiple images. Basically, these are all multiple child modules. Here in the general setting, you set the height of the module, and then this is the option to bring to front on hover. This is the lightbox gallery option. And then also the nice thing also is the mobile view. uh, Suppose you have this gallery here, which is scattered on the desktop, but it won't look good on the mobile. You can leave it as it is for the mobile if you like. Like here is the mobile display option which says no change or grid, or you can enable the grid and change your select your desired column for the mobile. So in this case, suppose here, let's see how this looks on the mobile. If you so as you can see, this gallery is displayed as the general grid in the mobile, and this one is not converted to grid. This looks fine as it is, right? So, and this one is converted to grid, this demo, and this demo is not converted to grid. It is adjusted for the mobile. So you can do both stuff. You can either convert your gallery or module to images to as grid for the mobile, or you can leave them as it is, as you arrange them for the desktop. So these are the options for the main parent module, and there are some design options as well. Then for each child module, you have the option to either choose an image or you can choose an icon. So you can basically also bring in a combination of images and module images and icons here. So in this case, we have chosen the image. You can make the image full width if you like or not, and you can adjust the horizontal position like this to your canvas anywhere. In this case, we have adjusted it to here, and this horizontal position can be changed for tablet and mobile any way you like, right? So you can adjust it your user experience for the mobile actually. And the same way, you can also adjust the vertical position like this, and you can adjust the width of your image as well. Then you can link your images, you can apply some perspective. I'll show you the perspective demo below. So let's check this one. So this one is this image, right? We have applied some transform options. You have three types: perspective, rotate, and skew. So from the rotate, you can see this vertical rotate. You can adjust this to any direction you like, and then the rotate Z works like this. So you can also make something an effect like this easily, or you can simply rotate as well. So there are a few options you can bring some nice. And on hover, if the option has enabled on hover, it makes it to the original position, and you can skew it as well if you look. So this may get nasty if you are not if you're not sure how to do it, but obviously the options are self-explanatory, and you can easily create some nice effect like this using the options. So this is it. I hope you like this module, and thank you.